She.
Ah, because it's bigger?
Yes.
Ooh. So, she has how many female eggs? How many female? How many she does she have? How many female? How many she? One, two.
아니, she.
So maybe 5 female? 5 she female? 5 he male?
Yes.
Ah, you don't know? She has big family. Leah, do you want to finish coloring the leaves?
No.
No? Are you done? Yes?
Color.
Do you want me to help?
Yes.
Then can you give me the color you want? Blue? Alright. Then let's do it together.
Okay.
Which leaf should I color? This one.
I can do.
You can color that one. I want to change color, but you should give me the color. Ooh, I like this one. What about you?
This is red.
This is red, but pretty red.
Yes.
Which leaf should I color? That one? Me.
Oh.
Me. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Oh.
Last color.
3년 전에 저 옷에 붙었어요.
Oh, really? Maybe they want to go home with you. Neha, take me your home. Take me your home. With your Robin. Take me your home. With your Robin. Okay, let's finish these leaves. Coloring these leaves. Choose color for me. What color should I use? Oh, but I did it already. Can you choose other color?
We can. This color.
What about me?
This.
Thank you.
Sky blue.
Sky blue. Where should I color? Here? Should I color here?
No.
No? Here, okay. I am finished. Okay, last color.
What?
Last color.
What?
I don't like white. Can you choose other color?
Huh?
Yellow? You cannot see yellow on yellow paper. Choose other color for me. Oh, thank you. I like this color. Can I color the branch? Yay! Oh, we are not finished. We have one more leaf. We are almost finished. Yay! We are finished. Good job. High five.
근데 얘네들은 어째?
You can take them in your pocket. In your pocket.